Hi people, what's popping guys? Kedi goes the other on your side. Another kitty kitty, another kata kata. One your updates at the comment box. Tell us how everything is going on in your location, how the country and the economy is affecting your area, traffic and everything you can tell us. Just update us on the happenings in your area, okay? Is your girl in the building? Your girl Chinazike, girl from Africa, the very pretty girl from the city of Owerri. Yeah, today guys, we are going to be talking about one interesting topic, and we have a guest in the building. Yeah, Doc is right here again. Don is right here again. Have you met Don before on this channel? Have you met Don on this channel? He's an interesting person to be with. So today we're going to be talking about health issue, and the topic we're going to be talking about is symptoms of pregnancy. Yeah, because so many people out there, so many ladies out there, both married and not married, they find it difficult to know or to dictate when they are pregnant. You know, some people might be some months gone, 3 4 months gone without knowing that they are in, like few months gone, like the first trimester get them confused. So today we're going to be discussing, like, if you want to learn, if you're actually interested in this topic, come with your paper, sit close with your paper and your pen and a glass of something chillable, something drinkable or something chewable. Okay, so as for us to dig let's dive into the topic, let's dive into the video right away. Doc is already here waiting to educate you and I, to tell us the symptoms of pregnancy, because at the early stage, the first trimester or whatever how they call it, I don't know, but it gets some people confusing, you know. So let's go there, let's go there, let's go there, let's go there. Oh yeah, Doc is already seated here. Hi Doc. Welcome to our channel. Yeah, on behalf of Chinana's family, I'm just welcoming you today on our channel. You are highly welcome, Doc.
Yeah, well done. How's it going?
We are doing great. I'm doing great, and I'm sure all my subscribers out there are doing absolutely
That's
well.
fantastic. That's fantastic.
Yeah. So you're gonna help us, you're gonna educate us today on symptoms of pregnancy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, I am privileged to be in the midst of your viewers in this particular fantastic
Yeah, happy
channel.
to have you, Doc.
Here, thank you once again. An opportunity to be here again. This is my second.
Yeah, the second time we are hosting you.
To be in this particular platform channel precisely to throw more light. Not that most of you people don't know what the early stage of pregnancy is, but it's to throw more light to well educate you more about the early stages of pregnancy, and for you to know that signs you see that no, this is the pregnancy issues. For instance, there are so many ways someone can detect pregnancy. Like, you know, um, this word pregnancy occurs in different ways,
Okay.
at different body system, at different signs and symptoms. Some people, when they are pregnant, they will not know.
Yeah.
For instance, if you want to know more about that, is some people don't even know when their menstruation is occurred. Some people just wake up and see blood. Some people just be playing and see blood. Some people just be making love and see blood. So the same thing happened. Some people, before it occurs, 3 days prior to this day, have a heavy or severe pains in lower abdomen, breast enlargement, painful urinating, and stuff like that. That is just the whole thing. So if you start experiencing those things in your menstrual period, the same thing may likely occur in pregnancy stage. So my fantastic viewers, I'm here to enlighten people more about this early stage of pregnancy, that the body system differs as the pregnancy stages differs.
Okay.
So, for instance, some people will tell you there are categories, 10 categories, 5 categories, 6 categories, 7, 8, as case may be. But as the body differs, as the body system differs, the science differs.
Okay.
For instance, some will still have, some people may be pregnant at the first stage, first 2-3 months.
The first trimester stage.
First month of pregnancy, they still see their menses.
Okay.
Second month, they still see their menses. But that menses may not flow as it used to flow. But the only difference there is you will not experience your ovulation.
Okay.
But the menstruation will be there.
But can in that situation, can't complete like the normal days?
It may not likely can be complete. Your complete set of menstruation is ovulation.
Okay.
But hence there is absence of ovulation. That means there is incomplete calculation of menstruation
Okay.
in a woman's cycle. So in this case, you may be pregnant, still seeing your period, as you guys normally call it.
Yeah, the red blood flow.
So, but it may not likely flow as normal days it does flow.
Okay.
But sometimes it may flow as normal days. But the absence there is ovulation. So that one is different. Another one is breast enlargement. You will still see your breast start like enlarging, adding, swelling. The bulbs will be like adding, looks more sexy, more attractive. Another one there is pains. The breast will start paining you, mainly the nipple side. In fact, during this period, those bra that you normally use will no longer be conducive for you because of pains. Because those bra that used to be normal shape, give you normal shape, mainly all those not legs foam stuff, will become hard. Because when the nipples start pressing it, because it keep enlarging and it become painful.
Okay.
Two things that cause at the same time.
Okay.
Enlargement and painful at the same time. At times it may be different, may be painful but not enlargement. At times may be enlargement but not be painful. So two different things all together, but sometimes the two will come at the same time. So the painful will be there. Maybe you used to play along with your hobby, people that married, people that are not married, they play with your boyfriend, trying to squeeze it as you used to, you shock.
Or suck like
Or trying to
guys
suck, or
are
your
crazy about
husband,
that.
as guys, they can't deny, you can't deny guys. Not people like us anyway. Some guys on out there, you can't deny them sorting.
Yeah.
They're saying in Igbo language, and now what kind of I sorry, I'm speaking our dialect,
You guys must know.
So unless maybe you used to suck filling bottle or water bottle, but once that particular place is concerned, it must hold it tight, squeeze it, press it, play with the nipple. When you try to play with the nipples, and if a nipple, that kind of thing. So when you try to play that one, the lady in question will no longer behold maybe she used to enjoy it, but now it become horrible and unbearable to her. So she will now stop you from doing that.
Try to resist that.
So trying to resist that to show that her body is no longer as it used to be.
Yeah, something is.
So that's another sign. Another one there is vomiting. Some people vomit, some people may not vomit. Maybe early morning vomit, late at night vomit, or any little stressful, they start vomiting.
Okay.
Even try to shout, try to scream, they
Yeah.
vomit.
I also observe that some people get irritated, like little things, smell.
Fine. Some people will be irritated. Like, I was in office one day, a colleague of mine told me that I don't even know that I was pregnant until you passed through me one day. The perfume, my fragrance I normally enjoy, start irritating me. Then she now said, Lord, can you just excuse my office? I
Trying
said,
to ask you out.
out of her office. I say, Madam, I call her name, please go and check yourself. Because you have already asked me to get this particular perfume fragrance as your gift, as a gift. Now we are rejecting it, Madam, go and check yourself. Lo and behold, she went for a test and come back and told
Can
me.
you imagine? Such a little
Yes.
thing.
So it's not those normal smell that you normally enjoy will come irritating to you. It's another sign. Another one there is fatigue. You know, when you come to the level of fatigue, you become restless, tiredness, weak. So when you see those things, now maybe someone like you have to be, maybe people in the church that plays a lot in the church, play so much activities in office, homework. Some people can start like cutting firewood, home chores, stuff like that. You know that maybe you spend like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that kind of hours. At a point, it wouldn't be up to that. Little thing, you become tired, you become weak. It's another sign that you need to examine yourself before you have miscarriage. Because if you don't take time, when your body is telling you to go and examine yourself, you refuse to. I think it's all about hardness, all about big girl, all about kind of. The next thing they're gonna see is miscarriage. Because when that miscarriage comes or occurs, you will regret the fact. But bear it in mind, those miscarriage always occur with people that want the pregnancy.
But why?
It's natural. I don't know how it happens. Scientifically has no proof about that. But as human beings that reason a lot, you see those people that they call unwanted pregnancy. No matter how try, if you like, carry axe to start pieces firewood to make sure that you have miscarriage, it will never occur. So at a point, you see as no gala
But how possible is that? Some people say they carry their pregnancy on their laps, on their breasts, on their. I'm like, how is it possible?
I don't know about that breast. The pregnancy always occur within the abdomen.
Okay.
So, but at the back of the abdomen, that's where the thing will just balala. But according to your normal instinct, but scientifically proven, pregnancy always at the abdomen.
Okay.
So, another symptoms of pregnancy which people don't understand or fail to adhere with, the discharge. Ladies normally discharge during pregnancy.
What sort of discharge? Like
Normal discharge.
Like what color?
Whitish color.
Okay.
Semi-whitish color, like cream color.
Okay.
Depending the kind of discharge you normally have on your normal days.
Okay.
You will normally have discharge. Another thing there that is more important, but you fail to understand, is swelling of vagina. Your vagina will swell a little bit, as if it breaks, as if like you are getting ready for welcoming a new object. You know what I mean? So always like swelling, always enlarging. So many things can occur. Another thing there is fever.
Okay.
Seconded by headache. So within this period, you need to be examining your watch. Blood pressure.
Okay.
To avoid high blood pressure.
Okay.
Because you are not carrying another human being. So The headache must be something else. The fever will be something else, depending on the body, individuals. That's what I use menstrual period to give it instance. Those people that cannot behold the pains of menstrual period cannot likely behold the heavy, the early stage of pregnancy. In fact, some people will be horrible, ugly, tattered, vomiting, spitting, everything put together until they put to bed. Some people, when you look at them, you say, wow, you look fucking sweet, you look fucking good, you look clean, you look smooth to this pregnancy. So people are so clean, so beautiful on the pregnancy. So it depends the area you find yourself. So having had all these kind of kinds and types of symptoms of pregnancy, you need to know where you fall yourself. Remember, I warn you, any sign you find yourself that is not used to your body system, now go to check yourself. Go to hospital to examine yourself. And don't force any pregnancy out unwillingly. Make sure any pregnancy occurs, allow it to be, allow it to stay.
Okay.
No one encourages abortion.
Yeah.
Unless the
Because
man,
all those is
the
bad to your system.
the man in question, the couple said they don't want it. But you have to know the actual stage you need to have an abortion. You must know the actual stage of having that abortion. Abortion is not something like I wake up in the morning and say, I can't get this pregnancy, let me just go abort it. No.
Very dangerous and deadly thing.
It may not work that way. Mr. A may have it done successfully. Mr. B may not succeed. No one encourages that. In the health, medical ethics, there are two types of abortion: complete abortion and incomplete abortion. Incomplete abortion may be miscarriage, then you go to the hospital and examine yourself and flush it away. So I want my viewers, please examine yourself, watch yourself whenever you see all these kind of signs. Some people may not see all these things until they put to bed. Some people may not see all these things until they put to bed. Some people will see from one stage to another stage, from one stage to another stage. But I advise every woman out there, whenever you are pregnant, still live your normal life.
Okay.
Don't jeopardize or give fucking excuses because of pregnancy. I can't go to the kitchen. Their husband will call you, baby, get me a cup of water. Don't you know that I'm pregnant?
So women are like,
those words I'm going to eat tonight.
One of the commonest attitudes of pregnant
Babe,
women are
don't you know that I'm pregnant?
they deviate from their normal duties.
Is it easy to carry pregnant and you're asking to carry your baby to do this, to do that? Hey, pregnancy is not stopping you to do anything.
Maybe they don't have the strength.
You're gonna get that strength. And it's part of exercise to do those things. Moreover, if you want to put to bed, the doctor, the nurses will encourage you to walk around to do exercise so that you can be able to help you. If you are trying to help yourself, you need to indulge from early exercise at the earlier stage.
Okay.
And pregnancy is not stopping you not to have sex. In fact, that's the most time you want it.
But that could be painful.
It's not going to be painful. The woman enjoy it more than
during
before.
Pregnancy stage.
Yes. You need that.
Couple with the pain, the breast and all that.
It's not pains. In fact, you need it more. More than everything.
Oh yeah, you people should do one. Those of you that are in already. Oh yeah.
So
you should be
very necessary.
Knock as much as you
can. You enjoy sex during pregnancy. So pregnancy is not stopping you to do anything. But know the position you're having the sex. Not anyhow you want it. Like normally. You shouldn't allow missionary when your belly, your stomach is added. The man shouldn't lie flat on your body. So you should know what I'm saying. So avoid some certain positions.
Just take caution.
Very, very important that you're having sex during pregnancy. And the man who is by your side supposed to cuddle you, who you, pamper you, assist you, all the necessary things during that pregnancy.
Okay.
Eat more of fruits, eat more of vegetables, eat less carbohydrates, less starch, eat more of proteins. Very, very important. Visit hospital, register at antenatal the month of 4-5. Take your routine drugs as prescribed by your gynecologist. There is a particular drugs you don't play with. You can play with every other drugs and routine drugs, but that particular one, folic acid, the smallest drugs in the whole world, don't play with that. One daily. Very, very important.
Okay.
So I think here I'm gonna call it short. If you need more clarification, meet her at her office. She will direct you to me. Teaching hospital still remain done. Medical practitioner.
Just drop your comments or email us, DM us if you have any video idea or any kind of question you want to ask concerning today's topic. Just drop at the comment box, DM us, email us, and we're going to be there. Or every of your question, we are back to back with the answer. So do well to feel free to ask any kind of question and drop your video idea at the comment box. Thank you guys. We love you. Dawn, we are happy to have you. Thank you once again for
You're
coming on
welcome.
this channel. We are grateful. Okay, thank you so much. What do you have to say to our viewers?
Live long. Practice what you learn.
Okay, practice what you learn. That's a word to go home. Whatever you learn, practice it. Put it in practice. It's not all about listening and hearing it. Practice it and it will take you to the next level. Thank you guys. See you on our next video. And do well to subscribe. Do well to hit that subscription button. We are signing out. Bye guys. Say bye to our viewers. Bye.
Love you all.
Hey.